Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to give access to a user in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to setup. So from here, I'm just going to click on setup and then you will need to go to your user list. So I'm just going to type user and we need to go to users. So from here, we will find the list of our users. And as you can see, there is something called a role and profile. And these two are the things that mentioning or that are defining the roles or the permissions and accesses for your users. So for example, let's create a new user or you can modify the user. So here I'm just going to give it some name and some other name, alias, and etc. etc. What matters the most is to have it a role. You can specify a role for this user, and it can be a role. And also you can start adding, for example, some kind of license, etc. But what matters the most is the profile. So here, as you can see, there is something called a minimum access, and there is Salesforce API only system integration. And basically, those are the access for the profile. Then you will need just to click on save for this user. And as you can see, then you can, for example, create a profile specific for a group of users. So let's suppose that user that you want to be able to only access objects, objects or an account objects. So basically we need to go to profiles and then I'm just going to create, for example, a new profile that would be only concerning the objects. For example, I don't know, some kind of access and profile name, save and click on save, and from there you can start modifying all the access that you want. So as you can see, those are all the objects, those are all the fields, so you can be as specific as you want in profile. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.